A vigorous training, pinpoint aiming and rigorous painting, sport play, villainous blood staining, meditation, grace and mind elevation to trigger the thought. The law of the court be the love of the sport and it can't be bought. Once taught the hidden see secret style art to use it to get to the top and not caught. I sought a means of escape from the darkness and how much energy would victory cost us. 12 jewels and the guards move cautious. 12 fools had attempted to flog us, but we pop shots at them like jump shots. 360 degrees, cause we lunchbox with more kung fu chops than unbop. One drop of woo blood to make it hot to the last
I
drop.
suppose you know you can't oppose the chosen one. My cold mental chill will leave Phoenix with a frozen sun. Rapid bees being shot from a golden gun. No defending my lane, boy, no holding, son. Just admit my crown is undefeatable. So bow down to the dragon that's unbeatable. Programming my thoughts that's undeletable. You imagine me achieving the inconceivable. Shake opponents, the guard is unbreakable. Try to steal the moment, but you dogs are incapable. Trial and tribulation and foul the stipulation. My word articulation will uplift the nation. You can bet I'm a triple threat, whether assistant, defending, or switching through the net. World Wide Web, I'm a worldwide celeb. Bobby got Bush like George and Jeb. Game pioneer, travel with the Cavalier. Step inside the square if you dare want to battle here. Against all odds and against all squads, we defend in the yard with the strength of the God. And stand and deliver, face the man in the mirror and abandon our fears without a plan or a shiver. If I give my word, then I plan to deliver. Expand my whole clan over land and the rivers you receive from the giver. Understand and consider, don't fall to the fear, you should stand as a pillar.